Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Making a video after a very long time. It's because I don't get time to make videos now. Just life is just very hectic. A friend of mine recently asked me that, you know, how does one really get audiences to turn up for gigs in Delhi? And immediately I kind of started laughing, and it's not because I find it to be a funny question. It's because it's such a genuine problem. There used to be one scene, and there used to be very few gigs back in the day. That's why whenever there used to be like a RSJ's GIR or one of those gigs in the few venues that were around back in the 90s or even the mid 2000s, everybody used to turn up, and once a year, twice a year, we used to see everybody's face. अरे ये तो आया था, उस वाले शो में भी आया था. कॉलेज के लोग, स्कूल के लोग, आसपास के बैंड्स के लोग, students, people who are in the process of forming bands or who are looking for bands, or all their idols. Everybody used to be there every year, right? Now music is segregated. Like, there are so many genres. Rap is a very big movement now, which never used to be that big back in the day. EDM, singer-songwriters. So there's no like one rock movement as such. There are gigs which are, like, in my opinion, few and far in between. But yes, to bring audiences to shows is a very difficult thing. It's very difficult. And I'll give you like a very relatable example. Is that, ठीक है, चल, you listen to gent, or you listen to metal, or you listen to whatever genre that you play in your band, like blues or whatever it is, right? That's what you play in your band. But tell me honestly, when you're listening to the radio, or when you're on your desktop working and you need a break, and when you open up Spotify, or you're in your car, right, or you're with your friends chilling, what is the kind of music that you like to play? Honestly बताना, झूठ मत बोलना, ठीक है? The kind of music that you're playing in your band is not the kind of music you chill to, I believe that is one problem. Another problem is, you are not going to enough shows of other people. That's why other people are not coming to your shows. Also, the culture of turning up for your show is not something that you are actually a part of, very honestly. How many shows of other people do you go to? Or let me put it like this, how many times have you taken a date out to a friend's band's performance? Or how many times is like, they're like a birthday or some kind of an anniversary in your family, and you're like, shit, let's just go to that guy's band's performance which is happening. Like, never. You don't do it. So how can you expect other people to do it, right? Also, I think we live very lonely lives as musicians. I mean, we have this aura that, wow, this person is performing so much, and he's got such great shows which are happening, blah blah. But in reality, a lot of us, when we are not performing and doing all the things that we're passionate about, we like to live very cut off, lonely and unfortunately very sheltered lives. And a lot of us don't have so many friends. Let's just face it. Let's just call it out to be what it is. Given a choice of, being between a lot of like crowded like places, very honestly, if I have the time, I'm just going to be chilling at home and, with my cats and like just relaxing, or maybe cooking something, or maybe calling that one or two friends, Yes, so maybe you're just getting old like I am. But these are the different reasons why people don't turn up. I mean, you have to be interactive, and social media is just like a one-way thing. You need to make those people feel special that you want to attract to your shows. And I believe this is just my personal opinion, because like in the last few years I've sung with more than like 6-7 professional bands, and I've done a lot of shows, man, to the point where people started blacklisting me from like venues. They're like, यार ये तो आशीष डेविड ही बजा रहा है हर गाने पे, हर शो में, हर बैंड के साथ, kind of a thing. So that was the deal. So if people are not turning out for your shows, think of what you can do about it. It's not so much to do with whether you're a good band or a bad band, unfortunately. It's to do with your skills with people. It's to do with how much you care about the people and how connected people feel to you as an individual, and to all of you guys as a band. Yeah, socializing is very, very important, as much as a lot of us might not feel the need to do so. I hope this video helped. It's not some gyan session, man. It's also a reminder to me. Well, as you know, in Ashish David Collective, we've always sung songs that we like to listen to in our cars. So, I mean, we never face that problem. Even if strangers walk into our gigs, they leave as friends because of the music that we choose. It's very easy listening. It's very non-musician aimed. It's very relaxed, and it's very familiar music. So if that helps, maybe you could try playing music like that. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.